hope you are doing well today and everything is going well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So I have already primed my eyelids and set my face and everything. So whatever I don't mention in this video, it will be listed in the description box down below. And I may or may not have affiliated links, but you're free to use them if you like. So today's palette, I am using the Beauty Bay Sunset Horizons. And this is a well-loved palette. I absolutely love Beauty Bay's eyeshadow formula. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert some music while I do the tutorial. I'm thinking of doing something with this orange shimmer because it is really beautiful on the pen, and I would love something like that on my eyelids today. am done using the Beauty Bay palette, but unfortunately there's no inner corner shade that I could use from these shades. So I'll be taking my I Heart Revolution Moana palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Island Lifter. It should be this white shade right here, and I'll use that instead for the inner corner. Oh, this brush I'm using is from Eco Tools. It's called the Micro Smudge. It's a nice brush for inner corner. So from the same palette, I will be taking the face section, and I'm going to be using this highlighter as my blush highlighter combo. This is called True to Your Heart. This pink one is supposed to be a highlighter, but I'm using it as blush today, 2-in-1. And I'll be taking my Eco Tools full blush brush. So it looks like this. It's a really nice brush. It's really soft and fluffy. I love a good blush that can be used as a 2-in-1 for highlighter as well, so it's like a blush highlighter. It's actually one of my favorite products to come across. I'm still tempted in getting the Fenty blush highlighter from the Cherry collection, but then again, I haven't actually looked for it. I kind of forgot about it. Yeah, I love a good blush highlighter moment. Okay, my friends, so this is my finished look. So looking in the mirror, I absolutely love how everything came out, especially the eyes. I did find that with Beauty Bay's formula, like I said before, it's one of my favorites for mattes. I think the shimmer was a little lackluster, only because I do find that, unfortunately, with the orange shade, it did get hard pan. So I don't know if you could tell up close. Especially when you compare it to the shade and that this one got hard pan, so it's not as vibrant as what it was before, but I think if I just scratched off the top it would be a little bit more pigmented. But overall it's not that bad. I just had to build that shade a few times to get it to show up. And then I do love the blush highlighter shade I chose from the Moana palette. So that will be it for today's video, my friend. I hope that you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much for being here, and I'm wishing you a good day or night, whatever time you're watching. May God bless always, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye!